Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Are you tired of manually analyzing and predicting future trends in your data? Look no further, because today we're diving into the world of time series forecasting using machine learning. Data is the driving force behind many industries, and being able to accurately forecast future trends is crucial for making informed decisions. Time series forecasting is a technique that uses historical data to predict future values. And with the help of machine learning, this process can be automated and optimized for accuracy. But why use machine learning for time series forecasting? Well, conventional statistical methods often struggle with complex and large data sets, resulting in inaccurate predictions. Machine learning algorithms, on the other hand, can handle large amounts of data and adapt to changing patterns, making them ideal for time series forecasting. One key insight to keep in mind when using machine learning for time series forecasting is the importance of feature engineering. This is the process of selecting and transforming relevant data features to improve the performance of the algorithm. By carefully selecting the right features, we can improve the accuracy of our predictions and avoid overfitting, which occurs when the algorithm performs well on the training data but fails to generalize to new data. Now let's take a look at the steps involved in time series forecasting using machine learning. First, we need to pre-process our data, which involves cleaning and transforming it into a format that the algorithm can understand. Then, we split the data into training and testing sets, with the testing set used to evaluate the performance of our model. Next, we select the appropriate machine learning algorithm and train it using the training data. Finally, we use the trained model to make predictions on the testing data and evaluate its performance. But don't worry, you don't have to be a machine learning expert to use this technique. There are many user-friendly tools and libraries available that make time series forecasting accessible to anyone with a basic understanding of machine learning. So, whether you're a data analyst, business owner, or just someone interested in staying ahead of the curve, time series forecasting using machine learning is a valuable tool to have in your arsenal. With its ability to handle large data sets and adapt to changing patterns, it's a game changer for accurate predictions. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more and stay ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving world of technology. Thank you for watching.